Get ready for an unforgettable day of golf and giving back. On June 2nd, Oak Ridge Golf Club in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts will be buzzing with energy as Rovi Homes and Loophole Brewing host the second annual Golf Open to support the incredible Shriners Children's Hospital of Springfield. Get ready for some serious fun on every hole with exciting contests, including closest to the pin, closest to the line, and men's and women's long drives. Plus, 9 of the best local breweries will be offering cold beer samples every other hole. But that's not all. Once the match is over, the party will keep going with an array of raffle prizes and an impressive live auction hosted by DJ Onyx, who will be there to keep everyone grooving all night long. Last year, we raised more than $23,000 for the Shriners Hospital, and with your help and support in 2023, we aim to surpass that number. Don't miss out on the tournament of the year. This event sells out fast. Find sponsorship and registration information below for the second annual Rovi Homes Loophole Brewing Golf Open to benefit Shriners Hospital. Let's come together for an amazing cause and have a blast while doing it.